Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Daryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us today in another of our series on learning how to use the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPhone. Now today I'm going to be demonstrating to you the all-important method of downloading books to the app. If you want to use the app in offline mode while you're on the plane or while you're out on a jog where there's no internet connection or on a hike up in the woods, you can do that. Sometimes people like to be able to use the app too in the offline mode to save data. That can also be done. Let me show you though how you download the books from the All Collections menu. You can see in front of me here that I have opened the app, the EGW Writings 2 app, to the main screen, and you see that I've got All Collections there. And we're going to tap on All Collections. Now, you can see here that I have downloaded 110 out of 120 books. You can also see that there is a little download arrow at the end there. And if I click on that little download area, it brings me up to the Download Book Manager within this collection. And I've demonstrated before in another tutorial how to use the Books Download Manager here. So I'm not going to go into that detail. Essentially, all you'll need to do is click on Select All, and then it's going to download those 10 books within the book collection. And I can just click on Download. It tells me the total size, and I click OK, and instantly they're downloaded. You saw it going in the loading now, downloaded, and now they're showing up all here. And if I come back, you now see that I have all 120 books downloaded. And you can repeat this process through all of those collections. Okay. Well, thank you for downloading these books to the EGW Writings 2 app, and when you download them, you can use them at any time. One caveat that I will give you, though, is from time to time we do upload new content, and you'll need to download that. Other times we also update and correct some of the typos or the layout of the book, and you need to be able to download an updated version of that book. Otherwise, it will not work to be able to use and search that book offline. It needs to be re-downloaded and re-indexed. So that's just a little important point to remember if you do download the books offline. If you prefer just to use the app online, that's not a problem. You don't have to download the books to be able to use the app. You can use the app in the online state as long as you've got an internet connection. Downloading is only there if you want to use the app in airplane mode. Okay, so don't forget, make sure if you've downloaded to check periodically if new updates have become available for the books. Otherwise, the app may have some issues and stability issues. Okay, thanks for joining us. That is another tech tip on learning how to download books to the EGW Writings 2 app. Bye for now.